Just to explain a little bit about what I'm doing, oh, this is so hot. I'm burning my hands is what I'm doing. Okay, I'm gonna try my best not to be awkward. I'm gonna be in Paris for almost the entire month working on artwork every single day. It's like a dream that you have seen people do in movies. It's like, whoever does that, who actually gets to go to Paris and just work on art? Well, this guy. There's an artist that lives here in Paris, and she had the opportunity to go to an artist's residency in another country. That left her apartment open, and I am now staying in her place, which I'm very grateful for. I will be venturing out into the city every single day and painting something every single day. I've decided to keep my projects really small because that'll be easier to transport back to the States for one thing, and another thing is it'll be easier to kind of produce a piece of art a day. Today is the first day that I am going to make it out into the city in the daytime. I will go try to have a little adventure. I have yet to be ballsy enough to go sit at a cafe by myself, but I'll get there. I have popped into a few stores for just things I needed. I've been able to speak French almost the entire time. It is one of the things I want to do here is improve my French while I'm here, and that's going to require me putting myself in situations, whether it's in cafes, whether I go find some group to speak French with, because it's very easy, and I think a lot of artists have this, to be just alone. It can be very solitary, and there's an ease in that. I could probably make it through almost my entire time here without actually engaging with anybody other than the people at the supermarket. That's not the goal. The goal is to really feel what it's like to live here. The main thing is that I'm here for the art. This was my first piece that I did last night on this very cute, tiny paint pad. I don't know if you can see it. And what I plan to do is just get inspired by something in the city every day, which I endlessly am inspired by the beauty of this city. I'm rambling. With that said, I'm gonna eat something and watch a little French video, then go out and get inspired for the day, and I will come back later and paint something, and I don't even know what it's gonna be yet, so au revoir. Check for today. It's a little less cold out. So yeah, different sweater. Still a t-shirt underneath. My corduroy jacket from yesterday, you can now see. The scarf again. Wearing boots today. No reason, just changing it up. Got the bag. And